All right, listen up, everybody. So we'll do this again. So you're opened up index, and you're going to put the cursor right next to where it says index. Adam, are you with me? Okay, put the cursor right here. Oh, what happened to your book? What they get for being walking in late. All right. So you're going to put the cursor here. All right, and then return, and then go to Insert Form. Insert Form, and then Text. Insert Form and Text. All right, you with me? Okay, Paul, you with me? Insert Form Text. And then what you do is you can change this to name, text field to name, and then you can click on the white box here, change the size to 10. There you have it. Okay. Anybody need my help? All right, skip a line, press, by the way, press Shift and return. Shift, return. It'll go to the very next line. At least it's supposed to. Shift, return, Shift, return. There it is. So the next line, and let's do this again. This time, insert, form, and let's choose email. Okay, and the same thing. I would just go ahead and click on the white text area, type in 10. All right, there we have it, name and email. Are we done? No, we're not. One last thing, put the cursor, this time just press return because you want some space there. So then you're going to go insert, form, and then let's go ahead and put the submit button. Pretty cool. All right, and then save it, and you can, if you want to, you can go ahead and look at your work. Okay, that means you'd have to go to the Finder. Okay, and find where your work is. I should be practice 2. And there it is. So you can actually type in there. Okay, so it takes some programming. Huh? Email? Yeah. And it's okay to put like, you know, kind of use a space bar to kind of. So I put like colons right next to them, or semicolons, or colons rather. So you see how I did that? So kind of equals things out. I mean, both words have 4 letters, I think. Oh no, email's 5 letters. But anyways, that's where it's at. All right, there we have it. Okay, so just do that. Okay, so that's what we have. That's the right side is always sort of like the conversion area. You put, so some of you may have put a whole bunch of, you know, things right here, like a bunch of YouTube videos and social media. And then the right side, you can put whatever whatever it is. Let me see what else we can put.
That's awesome.
It's okay. Okay, is everybody good? You want me to look over anything? You good? Anybody need me to look over anything?
Mine looks a little bit different.
Okay, so you should have this all set up. Okay, on your own. On your own. Okay, so right click on your own, create a new file, and this time call it etymology. Okay, so right click, new file in this area right here. It's right here. You may want to copy this. Okay, copy or Command C. There's copy. And then inside this blank area, okay, under File, in the Files panel, you may want to right-click, New File, and just call it Etymology. But make sure it's lowercase. Everything's lowercase. Okay? All right, everybody got Etymology? And then go ahead and double-click. And then what I like you to do is, using the same techniques, use a different top banner. Okay? You don't need this right here. Make sure you put a container. In other words, go ahead and create the etymology page. So let's do this together, okay, if you like. So remember the container. Okay, the container, let's go ahead and, like I said, go into etymology. So you want to double, so you should have two tabs right now. Okay, so put in the container. Insert table. And I believe its table width is going to be in pixels, and it's going to be 1100. And remember, self-spacing about 2. And 1 to 1. Okay, 1 column, 1 row. Okay, 1 table, 1 row. Okay, let's press OK. And you should have something like this. And basically what you're going to do is make sure you have the properties box out. And if you've highlighted this table, align center. And I'm going to increase the cell space to 10. Oops. Okay, border equals 5. So I'm going to highlight the text, and this is the table right here. And you can put the cursor inside the table and kind of go down a little bit more, okay? Anybody need me to repeat anything? Yes. What's that? What's that? The table? Yeah. Do you have a new page? Etymology? Okay. So I'll redo the table. Insert table. Remember, this is the container table. This is one that encompasses everything. So click on table. And then what I did was I made sure it's 1 column, 1 row at 1100 pixels wide. Border thickness, I'm going to keep it at 5. Alrighty? Okay, are you good? Okay. So then you're just going to press, like I said, you're going to press OK. And then it's aligned to the left. So you want to align it to the center. So you need to open up Window and then Properties. Okay, so Window, somewhere there's Properties. There's Properties right there. Or Command F3, whatever works for you. Can't see it? Which one are you trying to look at?
I'm still there.
Which one are you looking at? Which one do you need help with?
The second, I just needed the measurements for the second table.
The second table?
The little one. That contains the container.
That's the container. I didn't go to the second one yet.
Oh.
All right, and then align, make sure it's centered. So then what we're going to do is we're going to put the cursor inside the table and press return a few times. And then put the cursor to the back to the top. See how it's kind of over there?
Oh, wait.
All right, cool. So now what we're going to do is create a table inside the table. All right, so two rows, one column. Just like right here. 2 rows, 1 column. All right, let's just make it 2 rows. Okay, I know that I have a right. Actually, you know what? Let's do this before we do that. All right, let's do the 2 rows, 1 column to begin with. So insert table. Okay, 2 rows, 1 column. And it's 100%. Thank you, Owen. So it's got to be 100% because we're no longer creating a container. So now it's percentage because we got the container. All right, so here are the numbers. Carlos, you good? Okay. All right, so if you have this, go ahead and press OK. All right, so, and then inside the top, okay, so you got a table now. Is everybody got the table? All right, good. Now, inside here, you're going to create another table. So you notice here we got a table within a table within a table. Because remember, we got to put the banner and we got to put this information here. So the top part, okay, and you can skip a few lines if you like, and then move the cursor back to the top. Okay, so insert table, and then this time you're going to put in one row, 2 columns at 100%. Press OK. And then move this over. My strong advice is over here, inside the column where the header is going to be, type in banner picture. Over here, type in contact picture, or contact and form. And then down here, okay, so everybody got this? Who needs my help? let me go ahead and pause the video. Okay, where should I, okay, so the color, you can find the color right here. Actually, there is no color. So actually, don't worry about it. Don't worry about coloring. We got it. Okay, so let's go back to etymology, and this time again, you're going to create, now you're inside. So watch what I do. Okay, so again, this is the first table. This is the second table right here. And then this is the third table. So as you can see right here, this is the table right here. Here's a table. Okay, and it's inside this table. Anyways, you don't have to worry about that sort of stuff. Put the cursor here, inside the main body. And go ahead and create another single row, 2-column table. Insert table, single row, 2-column at 100%. You may want to press return a couple of times and then insert it. There you go. All right. Now I'm going to leave it up to you. Okay. Now I'm going to leave it up to you. Add your own ad banner. Add your own contact form, just like I did. And then inside here, okay, you're going to go into etymology, robotics. Okay, so go to Wikipedia. Or just type in Wikipedia robotics. Go into etymology. Here's etymology. Copy this. Okay, let's see how you do as far as formatting is concerned. Remember, you're going to copy all this. And then you're going to edit, paste special, and then text only. Okay, let me do it again. Edit, paste special. Okay, and then text only. Right here, say text only. All right, and then you can go ahead and format this. You may want to get rid of all these brackets here. Okay, and kind of make it sense. So in other words, if you look at this, look for the word according right here. There it is right there. Press return. So now you got 2 good paragraphs. Give it its own font. On the right side, I leave it up to you on color and what you want to put on there. Okay, on the upper side, choose a banner. Also, make sure you put an image here on your own, and I will let you explore it. Please help each other and then ask for help. Okay, I'm more than happy to help.
Oh, that's massive. That's way too big.